Presentation Convent Girls High School, Class Nursery, Subject Maths. I have opened page number 95 from the maths copy, and on this page it is the headline of number 19. So children, today we are going to learn how to write number 19. So dots are given and I have a pencil in my hand. Now look at my hand carefully. I will start from the dot. First I will write 1. Again I will start from the dot and first I will make a clever cat. Then I will go up like this. Then I will come straight down and stop here. Again look at my hand carefully. First I will write a straight 1 like this. Again I will start from the dot and first I will make a clever cat. Then I will go up and come down without lifting up my pencil like this. Again I will start from the dot and first I will put a straight 1. Again I will start from the dot and first I will make a clever cat like this, and then I will come straight down like this. Again look at my hand carefully. I will start from the dot and first I will write a straight 1. Then I will start from the dot and first I will make a clever cat, and then without lifting up my pencil I will come straight down like this. So children, this is how we write number 19, and in the same way I will write number 19 on the rest of these dots. I have completed the number writing of number 19. Children, I hope that you will also do neat writing. I have opened page number 101 from the maths workbook Play and Learn. On this page, the first heading is Join the same objects. Join the same objects. Children, object means the things. As you can see, different things are made here. Children, you have to use a ruler for matching. So first of all, look at this object. It is a star. This is also a star. Both of these are the same. So I am going to join them. First of all, I will set my ruler like this, and then I will move my pencil slowly along with its side like this. It is a tree, and this tree is same as this one. So I am going to join both of these. So first of all I will set my ruler again, and then I will put a straight line with the help of a ruler, and in the same way I will join the rest of the same objects. I have joined the same objects with the help of a pencil and a ruler. This heading is Observe the flower given in the block and color the one that is same. Observe the flower given in the block and color the one that is same. Now children, look at this flower carefully. Is this flower same like this? No. Is this flower same like this? No. Is this third flower same like this? Yes. So I have to color this flower only because this is the same like this. Children, now I will use the same colors to color this flower: red, yellow and green. I have completed the coloring in this third flower because this is same like this. Children, I hope that you will do neat matching and do good coloring in this flower. God bless you. Thank you.